Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on Skoda Octavia MK2 2 liters TDI PD. This car is equipped with the BMM engine, so the timing belt and the Serpentine belt are located on the side of the engine. This is the Serpentine belt right there. In order to get access to the Serpentine belt, first we need to remove the air intake hose that's on top of the Serpentine belt. To remove the air intake hose, we need to remove this bolt and then two metal clamps on the two sides of the hose. I'm also going to remove the fuel filter housing. I'm going to put it to the side just to get better access for the Serpentine belt. Next I'm going to remove the bolts holding the fuel filter housing. The fuel filter housing is held by three bolts, which are one there, and then one nut as well, right there. We're going to remove them and then put the fuel filter housing to the side without disconnecting any fuel lines. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the fuel filter housing loose now, so I'm going to put it to the side and maybe I'll catch it with an elastic rope so that it stays in that place there. Next I'm going to remove the Serpentine belt. To remove the Serpentine belt, this is the tensioner that I need to turn clockwise, and it will loosen the belt and then I can remove the belt. When I turn the tensioner clockwise, there is a hole in there and a hole in there, which I'm going to put a metal pin in there to hold the tensioner in place so that the belt is loose. To turn the tensioner, I need a wrench size 16, and that's the pin that I'm going to put through the tensioner. Here you can see how I'm putting the metal pin through the hole on the tensioner. Now I'm going to turn the tensioner with a wrench, and I'm going to install the metal pin through the other hole. Okay, so now I turn the tensioner and I'm going to put the metal pin through the other hole, and it will hold the tensioner in that position, and now the belt is loose and I can remove it. And that's the Serpentine belt out. Next I'll show you a diagram of the routing of the Serpentine belt. Now I'm going to put the new Serpentine belt back on the car. I'm going to put the Serpentine belt around all the pulleys, and then I'm going to get my wrench and turn the tensioner clockwise to remove the pin. We can see there's the Serpentine belt on around all the pulleys. Now I'm going to get my wrench and turn the tensioner clockwise to remove the pin and then let go of the tensioner. And that's how you replace the Serpentine belt. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.